have you wondered if someone have shared the same birthday? Well, there was two family members who shared the same birthday. In on October 31 is my tita and my niece. Because they share the same birthday. Let's see. My tita Rina is this is her today is her birthday. Look like she will eat a lot and because of this. Alright, let's go to my niece. Girl, what's her name again? Oh,
What's her
Abby.
name again?
Happy birthday, Habibi. Oh, ice cream.
This is her birthday today.
Bigyan mo na lang si ano ha, si Chelsea ha, chat
Okay.
ko, yeah.
I see you again.
Yung McDo share box.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Abby. Yay! Oh, blow na. Oh, blow. Blow. Yay!
And now I'm eating.
Kaya ano una nung una? Unang sabi wala yun doon, mga isa dalawang araw.
Hey,
Awa lang yun.
say your name.
Pagmumukha siya masama.
Say your name.
Ba't tulad na sa
Okay, say your name.
Kasi hindi pinakapunta ng ate.
I meant your name.
Kaya anong una, yun yung plano eh. Kaso, nagmakawa ata para sa plano.
Still young, cannot understand.
Ano yun? Sila na mag-decision nun.
Her name is
Ako hindi ko na kausap.
Oh yeah,
Kausap ako,
selfie.
sasagutin ko lang. Pero hindi na ako mag-ano ng
Okay.
conversation.
You done. Thank you. This is I can finish right now. Okay, this is all for the video. Like and subscribe, and I see you for the next video. Peace.